All right, welcome back. We are going to talk today about how to use your Sphere software with your document camera to fit in with some flipped instruction. So you can see, I'll just move the webcam. I've got my document camera set up. Um, I'm just aiming it down on a piece of paper that I want to write on. So let's say I want to do some particular lesson, or I want to draw a diagram, or whatever it is I want to do. Um, it's here for you to do that, and it's kind of nice. So what I'd like to show you, and what you see on the screen actually, is the Sphere software. And if if you don't have this particular disk, and it actually should be in the document camera box that I'm sure you didn't dispose of, it's still there in your classroom. You just get that software out and load it on your computer, and then you will have everything that I have that you see on the screen there at the top of the screen right here. All of this is actually part of Sphere software. You can also go to averusa.com and download the software as well. Let me back up just a little bit. Setting up your doc cam, if you have not set that up yet and you need help with that, please see your ITS. They would be glad to help. So anyway, we've set it up, we've got our Sphere software downloaded, and then I've opened the Sphere software, and the Sphere software looks, the icon actually looks a little bit like this. It's a red circle with a white S in the middle. So basically what you have the ability to do is when you open Sphere software, you can press this record button, and I'll just do that. It's starting recording. Here we go. So it's recording, and then it just says click to stop. It's really simple. The only trick is knowing where it saves it. And so let me press cancel here. What you have to do is click on this tab called Media Library. Actually, I lied. Let me back up. You go to Sphere and you click on Preferences, and that's what we're looking for. And you decide where you want it. I've actually already programmed it to save it to the desktop. So that's what you have to decide before you start recording. Where is it that you want them to store the file when it's done? And so that is, again, under the Sphere menu and under Preferences. So if I record, and then click stop and press save, then I go to my desktop here, and okay, I made quite a few of them here. So we click on it, and it is a video. And then click stop. So really simple to use. All you have to do is, again, set up your doc cam, get your Sphere software downloaded either from the disk or from averusa.com, and then once you open Sphere, you just press record or capture. Capture just takes a screenshot, but we probably want recording, and it'll record everything that you do in this window here. So you can write out a lesson like I mentioned, or draw a diagram, or whatever it is you need to do, and then you've got a video you can post to anywhere. Teacher Web, My Big Campus, Weebly, whatever you're using. And then one last thing I wanted to point out was this link right here, tinyurl.com/avercam1. This goes into great detail about how to use the software associated with your document camera, your Aver F50. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and we will see you next time. All right, welcome back. We are going to talk today about how to use your Sphere software with your document camera to fit in with some flipped instruction. So you can see, I'll just move the webcam. I've got my document camera set up. I'm just aiming it down on a piece of paper